Dr. Bacon. Oh yeah. Dr. Bacon. Yeah.
Hey, beautiful people, it's Dr. Bacon. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. We got a package in the mail. I believe it's from Vivosun, and we're gonna see what we got here. So they recently sponsored us a very nice 20-inch by 48-inch mat that went to one of our viewers. Much appreciated. We got a box in a box. Okay. Let's take that out. Okay, we're on the box number 2. Oh, very nice. Super. This is a very nice Vivosun 6-inch fan. This thing's gorgeous. We'll plug it in. So there's two things that really determine to me what a good fan is, and one is how much air it moves, the other is how much noise it makes. So let's check this out. It looks like it's got variable speed too. This is an axial fan, and it's rated at about 400 cubic feet per minute. What does that mean? Well, you want an air change per minute or two in your tent. So if you have for instance, I have a 2 by 2 by 5, so that's 4 feet square. So that by 5. So that's 20 square feet. So this would be way more than sufficient for a 2 by 2. A 4 by 4 by 5, you're talking 16 times 5, and you're starting to get in the size range of a 6-inch fan. So this is a nice size fan. Let's see how the construction is. That's on low, very quiet, much quieter than the one I'm using. That's high, still pretty quiet. Strong enough to pull itself across the table. Yeah, it's a nice fan. Nice. Let's see what else we got. Let's take a quick look at how much power it consumes. Okay, that's on high, 55 watts. That's a lot less than the 6-inch fan I have. Low, less than 40. That's actually pretty good. All right, and an honest-to-God carbon filter. This is really nice. I've been using a homemade carbon filter basically since the beginning. So this is a huge step up for the bacon community growing space. This is what I'm gonna do. I'll put a link if someone's interested in purchasing this. I think that's the least I should do for Vivosun. It's so awesome. They've given us a mat already, and we re-gifted that to the community. And this is my thinking on this. I could use this filter a lot. I really could. And Actually, with the fan I have right now, I could probably run both of my tents with a real filter instead of 2 homemade carbon filters. It's cost prohibitive to send a huge box across the seas, and I want the filter, but I wanted to give back to the community, so let's do this. This will be a 420 patron winning opportunity. So we're going to add this to the 420 pile. So we've got seeds, we've got this fan now, and we have a tent we're also going to give away. So that's all for 420. Also, anybody who wants to submit a photograph to itsdrbacon@gmail.com, it's in the description. Send a photograph by 420, and we have a new jingle, and we may use one of your pictures. But if you send a photograph, the contest is a drawing. It's not a contest. So send a photograph in, you're entered in the drawing, and for that, we're going to give away a Geo George tie-dye too. So, hey guys, that's our breakdown. I'll probably do a follow-up on this because I'm going to install this somewhere, and I've got some thoughts. So. Hope you enjoyed that. Thank you so much, Vivosun. This is just absolutely incredible. And one of our viewers is going to be stoked to have a really nice size 6-inch fan for their tent. So that's it for today, for this morning. You guys like and subscribe, and have a wonderful rest of your day. And we'll talk really soon. Take care now. Bye.
Jack the Bacon Kid. Oh yeah. Jack the Bacon Kid. Yeah.